The clipping of a racing pigeon's flights is common practice worldwide. The reason for the clipping is to get them ready for the racing season. The ninth and 10th flight of a racing pigeon takes about 5 weeks to grow in full. So if it's not ready by the time the racing season starts, it does create problems, and it is the cause that you cannot raise the pigeon all the time. You've got basically three options regarding the clipping of flights. The first price is natural molting, to let the pigeon go through the natural molt. If that is not possible, then you can revert to either clipping the pens, and after 2 weeks you can pull them, or you can just pull the flights and the new ones will grow. So clipping or pulling, there's no guarantee that the flight will be perfect, but you will be ready in time for the racing season. So let me just show you what I mean by the clipping and also the pulling. Clipping flights is a simple process. You take a scissor, and this is the flight of a racing pigeon, and then about 2 centimeters from the top, you just clip it, and then you wait for 2 weeks for the shaft here to dry out, and after 2 weeks you can pull the flight, and 4 to 5 weeks later it will be full grown. In high molt season, it's not even necessary to clip the flights before you pull them. So pulling the flights is easy, but you should concentrate to pull in a straight line. So in other words, say in South Africa, January and February is high molt season. So if you want to clip or pull the last 2 flights, January is the time. If you want to pull it, you just take it by the hand and you pull in a straight line until the flight releases, and then it will grow in full 4 to 5 weeks later. So when clipping or pulling the last 2 flights, it's advisable not to do both at the same time. So I do the 9th one and let it grow 75% so that the 10th can still support the pigeon when flying from the ground to its perch, and then I do the last flight. That does really help a lot. It's not painful to the pigeons, and then you can get ready for the season.